Your collection rate is the number you trust most, and it's the one your software bends the most. Open your dashboard right now. If it says 94%, your real number is probably closer to 86. That 8-point gap isn't a rounding error. It's the difference between what your software calls collected and what your customers actually paid on time. On one store, that's $4,000 or $5,000 a month. Run several and it's 40,000. Same blind spot, just bigger. And it's not your worst customers doing it. It's how the number is built. Today, we find your real rate. And there's a free spreadsheet at the end that runs it on your own 2 reports. So why does the number come in high? 3 things bend it, and 2 of them are real money you're not seeing. First, early payoffs. A customer buys out their agreement early. Good money, but it's a lump sum, not someone paying on schedule, and your software counts it like they did. So your rate jumps, even though you actually collect less than the full agreement would have paid. Second, free time. You push a customer's due date out to give them a break. Now it's not due yet, so it drops off the report entirely. Great for the report, gone from the number. Third, charge-offs. The moment you write an account off, its unpaid renewals disappear from the math. So your rate doesn't drop. On some systems, it actually goes up. The worse your collections get, the better that number can look. Early payoffs just flatter the number. Free time and charge-offs, that's the real money your rate is hiding. So what's the honest number? Just this. Of every dollar that was due, how much actually showed up on time, say within a week of the due date? On-time renewals divided by everything that was originally scheduled. And that word originally is the trick. You count what was scheduled even for accounts that later paid off early or got written off. If your export stops the day an account closes, that missing money is exactly where the leak hides. To run it yourself, you need 2 reports. What was scheduled and what actually came in. Some systems hand them over clean. Others make you dig. And if yours won't show the original schedule at all, that tells you something. 2 files. The spreadsheet does the rest. Here's how the sheet works. Tab 1. Paste your scheduled export. Tab 2. Paste your actuals. Tab 3. 3 drop-downs. Tell it which column is the agreement, the date, the amount. That's the setup. Now the part most owners skip, the assumptions, and they're yours to set. Grace period, how many days late still counts as on time. Deport to 7, free time, how far a renewal moves before it counts as pushed, not just late. Deported to 16 days, bump it up if you bill monthly. And charge-offs. Forget your 90-day policy call for a second. For this number, it's just any scheduled dollar you collected nothing on. Then the dashboard. 3 numbers up top, your honest rate, what your software is probably showing on the same data, and the gap, your blind spot. Below that, what's driving it. Early payoffs, free time, charge-offs, each as a percentage and a dollar figure. They pull in different directions. Early payoffs push your rate up. Free time and charge-offs pull it down so they won't add up to the gap, and that's fine. The ones to act on are free time and charge-offs. That's your real money. 3 things to watch. 1. The trend of your honest rate, not just this month. Collections move with the calendar, tax season, the holidays, so watch the direction over time, not one number. 2. The gap. If it's widening, your deferrals or charge-offs are climbing, and that's a worse sign than the headline number dipping. 3. If you run more than one store, which one is driving the gap? It's rarely spread evenly, and it's not always the store you'd guess. One last thing, and this is where this channel is headed. Even your honest collection rate can't tell you who's about to stop paying. To see that coming, you group your customers by the month they signed. Take everyone who signed this January and watch how they pay by month 3. Then compare that to how last January's group was paying at their month 3. If the newer group is already paying worse that early, that's your warning. Weeks before it shows up in your bottom line. The big chains run this. They call it vintage analysis. Almost no independent does. Your standard rent-to-own reporting just doesn't surface it. That's the series we're starting next. Free templates linked below. paste your two reports, see your real number in minutes. This is the RTOAI notebook. See you in the next one.